Traffic Ad Bar 2023. Guys, give me the next probably 30 minutes. We're going to completely set up a brand new traffic ad bar system. So people who have asked questions, what we need to do here, what we need to do here, in this training, we will show you step by step what it is to set up a complete traffic ad bar system and start adding your links for advertising. Stay tuned for this powerful training. Okay guys, before you go into the training, I would like for you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so the next time I do a video, you'll be notified. Also, guys, I got what I think the best program for 2023. It launched in December and it's hitting the internet like wildfire. Guys, you need to get in before it just totally gets saturated. I'm telling you, you need to jump on board now. You won't regret it. Go ahead and do it right now. Okay, my friends, the first thing we need to do a traffic ad bar sign up. So I already have a brand new email address set up for this site to explain how to set up the traffic ad bar system. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to copy this email address right here. Quickly, we'll go here and we'll copy it. Make sure we grab all of this. We're going to copy this email address and we're going to come here and we're going to register. And I'm going to go ahead and put the email address in because this is just for training purposes. And let's just type this in real quick. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and join. All right. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to double check our email address and confirm to make sure this is the correct email address. Okay. Okay, I am here inside the email address. What we're going to do, we're just going to click to verify the email address. So that is done. Now it said the verification link is accepted. Now let's go to the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and get started. Traffic ad bar setup. This process is to go ahead and get everything set up. So let's go ahead and backspace. I put that in there on the other time. Let's just go ahead and put the last name here. And this person is a male. Like I said, this is just a site that just gets you going. So now we need to put some kind of password that's really good, so someone can't just log in. So let's just try this one. Let's just see if this one works. Let's just see. Sometime they don't work. Yes, it did work. It did work. Not now. So let's just put a username just to make sure we're tracking on this. All right, now we have our system pretty much set up. Now, this is a key point that we have to get, and I think a lot of people miss this. These emails that you want to have, that you want to browse each day, you want to set up the time you want these emails to come, because this is where you actually get your points. So let's go ahead and I like my emails to come in the evening. So let's talk about, let's say that's 2,000 hours, and let's just hit save. Cool. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to use a URL for this training purpose to set everything up. So let's just find a URL where we can put in here and get set up. Okay, I got a link that I want to use just for this training purpose. This is a really nice system here. This is to put Lead Leaps, Live Good, and My Lead Gen on one platform. So we're going to use this, and just for training purpose, we're just going to kind of get it started. Let me copy this and let's go back to the training. Make sure I'm on the right link. And let me see, we went right here. Here we go. 2 pages open. Let's click it right here. I've got a lot of my RAM is gone. So let's add this website. And let's just use the title that's already there. Explode your affiliate income. I'm just, this is just for training purposes, and I had to make sure it has enough character that allow us to put that here. Let's just see. Explode your affiliate income. We can do that. Let's see what else we can put. And we'll just do this to get started. And you can always come back and edit this if you don't like the title. So let's just do that. And let's come here and put period, and then we'll go. And I do not like the way that looked. Introduced it. Let's do something different. I want to do this. Let's go explode your income. And we'll do it like that, and we'll go see if this will fit. And this is just training purposes. We'll see if that'll fit on the second line. Explode your income, earn up to cool. I don't want to take it to another level just for training purposes. We're going to do this English language. We're going to do that. We're just going through and kind of setting up the user for all countries. And I'm going to run the ad from today's date to a year from now. And we're going to start at the hour. This is a Thursday at about 2200 to Wednesday about 2200. Let me see. Okay, it had a cap in it. My bad. Can't use all caps. No problem. We can fix that really quick. That's cool. And now we can save. Guys, we are set up. Now, the next part of this training, I'm going to show you another method. Stay tuned. All right, my friends. Our next section is the traffic ad bar tutorial. And in this particular section, what I would like to do is just show you what you can do to benefit with the traffic ad bar system. We're just going to dive right in it. I've already logged in and we're going to get started. This is the direct URL that you will be using to market your business. Just in case you don't market it, do the ad, but you want to get people to come into your organization, because when you get people to come into your organization, you're able to gain points, and those points that the individual that join you have access, it increases your points as well. Then you can go up the actual ladder. And let me tell you what the ladder is. So you come in, you look at all of this right here. You come in, you can save your favorite sites that you see when you're surfing, and you can edit your profile, help here, and then you can upgrade here. And there's your referrals when you do. Now let's click this level ladder right quick. Now it shows me, even though I signed up yesterday to show you this, it shows me at ladder number 5. Okay, so you can look at it that way, and I'll show you another way to actually look at it. It looks like a Christmas tree. As you go up the ladder, the higher you go up the ladder, the more your ad is viewed. So that's the work part of the deal. So it's a little work involved in all of this, but so you just have to work this. That's what it's all about. Now let's talk about advertisement. Okay, advertisement. Right now, I only have one site that is in there. So what you want to do is, as a free member, you can have 5 sites. So, but let me show you what you can do here when it comes to actually doing some things with this traffic ad bar. You see this link right here. This link here is the link you probably would like to advertise. And I'm going to show you why you want to advertise this link. I'm going to click over here and open up another screen, and we're going to drop that baby in here. Okay. Check it out. All right. Now you see this. This is the actual URL that I'm starting to market. Just started it yesterday. So look here. All right. Eventually, I'm going to show you guys free methods of being able to advertise with this traffic ad bar system. Okay, look here. Right here, guys. Here it is. This is the opportunity that I'm promoting. Okay. But right here is the advertising bar. Now you see this bar right here. This is an advertising bar. If someone clicks that, you get points. So say if they want to look at all of these and you get point, and they may not even opt into your opportunity there, but you've gained points for the same particular URL to go up. So that's how that works, guys. So I just want to let you know, you can use this. You always want to advertise this URL. And see, right now I've got 3 points, and if I was an upgraded member, you will get more points, So I just wanted to make sure you to never market. Make sure you never, let me get back to this page. Let me get back to the page right here quickly. Never just market this ad right. You mark it here, and this is where you get your points. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. And if you want to click for points, just straight up points, you can do it right there. And then let's move down here. This is where you can look at your referrals. This is where you can look at your website. It's just same as up here. So, and now let's get to the very important part. You got to add your page, and you got to click for credits. So now let's go ahead and show you where you really make your credit money at. Right here, guys. I'm going to click and I'm going to open this. It's best to do this on your phone. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to click for credit. Now, just showing you what will happen here. Look, as this thing spiral do, see what it says? Daily email link. When you do a daily email link, you get way more credit. You see what I'm saying? So that's how you do that. Now, what I like about the email, when you do it on your phone on the email, you click here and go to the next one. Here, when you're on the desktop, because I'm showing you this, you have to go to the next link. So we will have to go to the next link. That is the only way you get your point. But when you're on the phone, you have a benefit when you do that. So this one has been done. This is a new one coming up. So yeah, you'll see it when you're going to gain a lot of points. It's going to say daily email link, and you just let that go. You can get, just for like, look, I only have one URL. The more links you have in there, the more points you have. So that was link number 2. And then we go to the next one. This here is vital. You cannot ignore this. The reason why I say you cannot ignore, this is where you're getting your points. This is where the points push you up the ladder. And this is free. This is absolutely free. So of all of this section that is important on this particular part of the video, this is the most important part. So this is crucial to your traffic ad bar tutorial. And a lot of people are letting points go by, and they just letting points go by. See, look at there, that daily points, that was 56. So we got one more to go, and you have more. Like I've only had one. This is the test site. I only have one URL in it, and I will go ahead and use this site. You know, even though it's free, I'll go ahead and use it. So, and someone in here is advertising some stuff from Amazon. You never want to do this. What you want to do is you want to always have a lead capture page. So I guess this was the first one that I clicked on. Maybe it was. Yeah, it was. See, it says 52C, 52. So I've already clicked on that. So cool. So yeah. Yes, guys, but this is all it takes to get going. Let me make sure I bring that back up. I don't know why I done that. Let's bring it back up really quick. But this is all that you need to do, guys. Go ahead and get started, and just go ahead and start clicking these advertisements every day. And then all of a sudden your site's going to start going up, and then bring some people in. And so before we finish this entire video, even though this video is going to be long, I will show you where you can get some free traffic. Okay, my friends, this is the last section of this video. The video is extremely long, and this section is going to talk about traffic ad bar earn money. This is what you need to do to earn money with the traffic ad bar system. A lot of people want to come in and market their own opportunity. What you want to do is have a system that helps the traffic ad bar community, help them to get leads to their own opportunity. What more than to teach them how to get 5 to 10 leads to their system each day? This is the URL you need to market. You come in and you market this system right here. I'll have these URLs below. You can come in and you can join this system. Like I create one that says traffic ad bar 5 to 10 leads a day system. Then I went to generate 5 to 10 leads a day with the traffic ad bar, and then I have another one, how to advertise on traffic ad bar. These 3 lead capture pages, you go ahead and you opt in to either one of them, and you will have access to these 3 codes. And you want to advertise this in your traffic ad bar system. Now, one thing that you need to do when you join these opportunities, there is a lead system called Lead Leaps, and Lead Leaps are one of the main tools that you can get your link approved through the traffic ad bar system. All links are not approved in the traffic ad bar system. And another thing, when you do join Lead Leaps, I have a tutorial for you to teach you how to use Lead Leaps, a free course, and it's awesome. Reason why I like to refer this free course to you, inside the Lead Leaps system, it is just nothing but writing. This course is screen capture, show you how to set up everything. So I'm just trying to tell you, these are the 2 tools that you need to really get the traffic ad bar system going. So a lot of people wants to do stuff with traffic ad bar. You have to have Lead Leaps to help you out, for you to be successful with traffic ad bar. If you're not using Lead Leaps, man, I don't see how you can be successful. So if you want to earn money with the traffic ad bar system, you want to use Lead Leaps. You can come in and use Lead Leaps, and you can actually make some money with Lead Leaps. And the reason why I'm saying that, as an upgraded member for Lead Leaps, they automatically get leads for you automatically, and those leads eventually upgrade, and it is a monthly routine. So I'm telling you, each month my income has increased just from them recruiting the people in for you. And then also you have 13 different outlets you can advertise within the Lead Leaps system, and then you can advertise your traffic ad bar pages. I'm just trying to tell you, the reason why people are not successful with the traffic ad bar system, they're not implementing Lead Leaps with it. I'm just trying to tell you, you will earn money if you do it this direction. I do it this way. Sorry about the improper speech. So guys, go ahead and join the links below and get started. This is the end of this particular video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and be blessed, my friends.